that. I want to go home.
I am the great and powerful Oz. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
If you please, sir, I am Dorothy, the small and meek. We have come to ask you...
Silence!
Jiminy Cricket!
The great and powerful Oz knows why you have come. Step forward, Tin Man. You dare to come to me for a heart, do you? You clinking, clanking, clattering collection of glutinous junk.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. You see, a while back we walked down the yellow brick.
Quiet!
Oh.
And you, Scarecrow, have the effrontery to ask for a brain? You billowing bell of bovine fodder.
Yes, Your Honor. I mean, Your Excellency. I mean, your wizardry.
Enough! Oh, and you, lion. Well?
You ought to be ashamed of yourself, frightening him like that when he came to you for help.
Silence, whippersnapper! The beneficent Oz has every intention of granting your request.
What did he say?
He's going to help us after all.
But first, you must prove yourselves worthy by performing a very small task.
A small task? Is that all? You name it, and it's half done.
Bring me the broomstick of the Witch of the West.
But if we do that, we'd have to kill her to get it.
Bring me her broomstick and I'll grant your request. Now go!
Well, what if she kills us first?
I said go!
Oh, don't worry. I'm already gone.
I never should have let you see the wizard. I wish you'd given up this crazy scheme.
Oh, but I'm glad you did. How else can I get back to Kansas?
You don't have to worry about us. We're not going after that witch empty-handed.
You can say that again.
Which way to her castle?
Nobody knows for sure.
You mean no one's ever been there?
Oh no, plenty of folk have gone there. Just no one's ever come back.
Oh, boy.
There's no yellow brick road to follow now.
There's no road at all to the land of the Winkies.
Winkies? What's Winkies?
They were a people very much like us. But then the Wicked Witch enslaved them. I hope the same doesn't happen to you.
Oh, so do I.
Keep going west to where the sun sets.
Is that where we'll find the witch?
Oh no, you won't have to find her, Dorothy. When the Wicked Witch knows that you're in the land of the Winkies, she'll find you. Good luck.
Sometimes it's a good thing not to have a brain. I haven't any weight to be scared. I haven't got a heart to fill me.
And I haven't said goodbye to the wizard.
You desert Dorothy now?
Well, I guess I could stay here. That's one way of doing it.
Shame on you. You're more of a coward than I thought.
Well, it's easy for you to say. You're straw and you're tin. I'm only weak flesh.
Very weak. Verging on the flabby.
It's all right, Lion. You can stay here if you like.
Oh, how I'd like. But if you really need me, I can tag along, I guess.
That's more like it. Stout fellow. Ready to go, Dorothy? Best foot forward.
Decisions.
Come on, Lion.
I'm coming. Scarecrow's not the only one who needs a new brain. Does anyone know where any of us are?
That's noticed a while back. You mean the one that said, "Welcome to the haunted forest"? No. The one that said, "If you've got this far, you're lost."
Oh, here's another notice.
Hope this one's a little more reassuring.
I'd turn back if I were you.
Oh, fine.
I believe there are spooks around here.
That's ridiculous. Spooks? That's silly.
But you do believe in spooks.
No. Why only fools?
Oh, Tin Man.
I believe in spooks. I do.
Are you alright?
I do believe in spooks. I do.
Did you just hear what I just heard?
That noise don't come from any ordinary bird.
It
giving me the jitters and the joints around the knees.
I think I see a shadow when it's fuzzy and it's furry.
I haven't got a brain, but I think I ought to worry. I haven't got a heart, but I feel a palpitation.
There's more to go for us. I don't like this situation.
Are we gonna stand around and let it fill us full of horror?
I'd like to roar them down. But I think I lost my roarer.
It's who's?
It's a who's this?
It's a what?
It's a what's this?
Who's that? Who's there?
Who's where?
Beware!
Who's that hiding in the treetops? It's that rascal,
The jitterbug.
should you catch him buzzing round you, keep away from the jitterbug. Oh, the bees and the breeze and the bats and the trees have a terrible, horrible buzz. But the bees and the breeze and the bats and the trees can do what the jitterbug does. So just be careful of that rascal. Keep away from the jitterbug. What's happening?
Look at the size of them birds.
They're not birds. They're monkeys. Flying monkeys.
Oh my God! Go away! Go away! Like this, you pesky ant. Oh, where'd it go?
Get away, you pesky ants. Get away.
Help! Help!
Get away.
Help!
He's got my legs.
Help me! Help me! Help me!
Oh, they're getting away with Dorothy.
Fine job we did in protecting Dorothy. Help! Help! Scarecrow, what happened to you? Oh, I tore my legs off and then threw them over there. Scarecrow, that's you all over.
It's about time you pulled yourself together.
I would, but I can't reach my legs.
I got him.
And then we'll go find Dorothy. That's right. And the Lionel is.
Yeah. What? You're
Yeah.
telling me I'm leading us to the forces of evil?
That's right.
Oh. All right, I'll do it for Dorothy. Wicked witch or no wicked witch, I'll tear them apart. I might not come out alive, but I'll go down fighting. Ruff, ruff. There's only one thing I want you fellas to do.
What's that?
Talk me out of it. What's that? What is that?
It's the castle of the Wicked Witch.
Dorothy's in that awful place?
Oh, I hate thinking we're in there. We've got to get around somehow. Don't cry now. We haven't got the oil can with us. You've been squeaking it up as it is. They say it's got 1,000 rooms. How are we going to ever know which one Dorothy's in?
Toto!
Toto!
Oh, come here.
Come here, Toto.
Ah,
Oh, Toto. He'll lead us to Dorothy. But first we gotta get into the castle.
but don't you think it'll be impolite dropping in like this?
Look out!